Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here, you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. In this video, we will explore 7 eco-friendly gardening practices that will help you create a beautiful and sustainable garden in your backyard. From composting to native planting, we'll cover everything you need to know to make your garden a haven for wildlife and a joy for you. So, let's get started on creating a greener future, one garden at a time. Composting is like magic, transforming your kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich black gold for your garden. It's incredibly easy to do and benefits your plants and the environment. All you need is a compost bin or even just a designated corner in your garden. Start layering brown materials like dried leaves and twigs with green materials such as vegetable peels and grass clippings. Turn the pile occasionally to provide air, and in a few months, you'll have nutrient-rich compost to feed your garden. Your plants will love it, and you'll be reducing waste sent to landfills. Why pay for water when nature provides it for free? Rainwater harvesting is a simple and effective way to conserve water and reduce your water bills. You can collect rainwater from your roof using gutters and downspouts, directing it into a rain barrel or water tank. This collected water is perfect for watering your plants, as it's free of chlorine and other chemicals found in tap water. It's a win-win situation for your garden and the environment. Native plants are the superheroes of the plant world. They've adapted to thrive in your local climate and soil conditions, requiring less water and maintenance than non-native species. Plus, they provide essential food and habitat for local wildlife, supporting a healthy ecosystem right in your backyard. Head to your local nursery or research online to discover the beautiful native plants that will attract pollinators, birds, and beneficial insects to your garden. Chapter 4. Organic Pest Control. Fighting pests. Naturally. Say goodbye to harmful chemicals and hello to natural pest control. There are many eco-friendly ways to keep pests at bay without harming beneficial insects or polluting the environment. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings, which are natural predators to common garden pests. You can also make your own organic pest sprays using ingredients like garlic, neem oil, or dish soap. A healthy garden with a balance of nature is the best defense against unwanted critters. Chapter 5. Mulching, a protective blanket for your soil. Mulch is like a cozy blanket for your soil, helping it retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate temperature. It's a simple yet effective technique that can significantly benefit your garden. You can use organic mulches like wood chips, straw, or shredded leaves, which decompose over time, adding nutrients to the soil. Apply a layer of mulch around your plants, keeping it a few inches away from the base of the stems. Your soil will thank you for it. Q for I. Chapter 6. Companion planting. Friends in the garden. Companion planting is like matchmaking for your plants. Certain plants grow better together, repelling pests, attracting beneficial insects, or providing support for each other. For example, planting basil near tomatoes can deter tomato hornworms, while carrots and onions planted together can confuse pests with their strong scents. Research companion planting charts online or in gardening books to discover the best plant partnerships for your garden. Chapter 7. Wildlife habitats. Creating a haven for creatures great and small. Transform your garden into a haven for local wildlife by providing them with food, water, and shelter. Install birdhouses for nesting birds, build insect hotels to attract beneficial insects, or create a small pond to attract frogs and dragonflies. These additions will not only benefit wildlife, but also enhance the biodiversity and ecological balance of your garden. Imagine the joy of watching birds raising their young or butterflies fluttering among your flowers, all thanks to your efforts in creating a wildlife-friendly space. Outro, a greener future, one garden at a time. As we've explored these 7 eco-friendly gardening practices, we've seen how simple actions can make a world of difference. By embracing sustainable methods, we nurture not just our gardens, but the delicate balance of nature that sustains us all. Let our gardens be a testament to our commitment to a greener, more harmonious future. A future where both people and wildlife thrive in a healthy and vibrant environment.